Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve the blur problem in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, this problem would be probably a cause of the shorts quality. And all you need to do is just to increase the shorts quality and you will be able to solve the problem. But the problem or the root cause would be if you have a bad internet connection. So if you are sure that you have stable connection and you still have this problem, that means we will need just to increase the quality. To do so, you will need just to go to the YouTube with app and then you will be able to see your shorts. So from here, we will find this 3-point icon. By clicking on it, we will find this quality uh, tab or choice. You will need to click on it. And basically, you will see the quality and make sure to use higher picture quality so you can solve this blurring problem. To make this settings to be permanent and not for each short, you will need just to go to the profile, go to settings, and basically from here we will find this section of video and audio preferences. You will need to go to the video quality preferences and make sure they are higher picture quality. And of course, be careful to use this while you have a bad internet connection. If you have a bad internet connection and you still doing higher picture quality, you will have your shorts that will be lagging and it will be stopping for each time or for each second. And basically, by doing that, you will be able to solve this problem. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.